Google AdWords is a great online marketing tool that's relatively simple to use. In this video, I will show you how you can create your first campaign on Google AdWords. After completing your initial AdWords signup, you should be brought to this page, the Campaigns page. To get started, click on this Create Your First Campaign button. You'll then be brought to this page, where you can customize your campaign. Here, you can select the type of campaign you'd like to create. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be creating an online video campaign. You'll then be sent to this page, where you can continue editing your campaign details. Start by editing your campaign name, or you can even choose to leave the name as it is. For now, I'm going to change the name to Webinars to go along with the video I want to promote. And down here, you can set your daily budget. Enter the amount of money you're willing to spend per day on promoting your video. If this is your first time running ads, you want to start small. $5 a day is a good, safe amount to start with. You can change this amount later on, so you can come back and increase the budget if you feel that $5 a day isn't enough for you. For networks, you can keep all three of these boxes checked, as they'll help you reach a wider audience. Next, we're going to go on to locations. This section is for you to narrow down your target audience by location. You can choose to target or exclude audiences based in different countries. To start editing this, start typing the name of a country you'd like to target or exclude. Then over here, you have the option to either add the country to your targeted locations or to exclude it. So if I click to add it, it will be listed as a targeted location. However, if I want to exclude a country, all I have to do is hit this Exclude button here, and it gets added to the excluded locations list. You can spend lots of time refining this section, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll just revert to the default All Countries and Territories. You can also choose to specify the languages that your target audience speaks, and you can choose one or more languages, or even all languages if language is irrelevant to your content. And over here is where you need to add the URL of the video you want to promote as an ad. For an example, I'm going to use this video, Winning at Webinars, hosted on my YouTube channel. I'm just going to copy and paste the URL here. And once it loads, you'll be able to tweak the information for your in-stream and in-display ads. We can tweak some links here to direct traffic to any web page you like. For the display URL, type in your homepage or company website. This will create a link in your in-stream ad which people can click on. So I'll just type this in real quick. Then over here in the final URL, insert the link to your squeeze page, or maybe your Facebook page. This way, whenever someone clicks on the link displayed, it will send them to whichever page URL you entered in the final URL field. For your in-display ad, which looks like this, AdWords has already narrowed down some video thumbnail options, so you'll not need to spend too much time on this. I'd recommend choosing a thumbnail which isn't too text-heavy. I'm just going to choose this one because it's neater and not too text-heavy. Next, you need to come up with a suitable headline for your ad. I'm just going to type in Winning at Webinars, which is the name of the video anyway. And for these description lines, I'm going to type in a sentence that explains what my video is about. This is to entice more people to click on my ad. Landing page over here means which page your audience will arrive or land on when they click on your ad in display. You can choose to either send them to your channel page on YouTube or to send them to your video's watch page. It's completely up to you. And over here, you can choose to rename your ad. This is mainly for your own documentation and organization, and won't be seen by your audience. In this section, you can choose which platforms your ads will be visible on. You can choose to have them displayed only on desktops, or if they should be shown on mobiles and tablets as well. Once you're done, click the Save and Continue button to proceed to the next step. The next thing that you'll be prompted to do is refine or select your targeting group. You can choose to name your targeting group or keep it at default. It's up to you. For bidding, the max cost per view is the highest amount you're willing to pay when a viewer chooses to watch or engage with your video. Naturally, a higher CPV will increase your ad's chances of appearing compared to ads by other advertisers. It's best to start low. Try maybe 20 cents and see how far that goes for you. Down here, you can also work on refining your target audience even further. Depending on how detailed you want to go, you can spend a lot of time here. Some ready filters that you have are gender, age, and parental status. You can even narrow down your targeting group by interests. Once you've finished tweaking these filters, hit this blue button. This page isn't really to do with your campaign specifically. It's prompting you to link your YouTube channel to your AdWords account, which is highly recommended. Just hit this button here to proceed. And once that's done, you can hit the Finish button. And you're done. You have successfully created your first campaign on Google AdWords. Congratulations! Every time you create a video campaign, it will show up in this column over here. And if you scroll downwards, you'll see that our video ad for winning at webinars is also listed. However, if you look over at the status column, it might say that your ad is not yet serving and that it is currently under review. It shouldn't take more than a full business day for AdWords to approve your ad, unless you have gone against some of their advertising policies or if you haven't entered your billing information. Now, all you have to do is wait.